Kuthiwa amakhosi angahle ayithole esenomgadlo omusha kule sizini ezayo. Orlando Pirates recently parted ways with their striker Tsegofatso Mabasa after opting against extending his contract when it expires at the end of June. So lo mdlali-ke was hoping ukuthi-ke abreak lona-ke irekhodi lakhe-ke uTsovila-ke laphana as the top goal scorer yalo-ke iklabhu, kodwa zange kakwazi ukuthi akwenze lokho because in the second half of the season bamthatha-ke bamusa khona-ke laphana kwi-Stellenbosch FC. So waveza-ke ukuthi-ke yena he is happy with uRaidu Pane, Mbuthuma naye-ke u-Evidence Mahopa, and-ke uMafbasa-ke bamthatha-ke bamusa khona-ke laphana kuma-Steelies. So towards the end of the season kuvelile ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngeke-ke vele sayivuselela-ke inkontileka yakhe, and-ke baconfirma-ke kule week ukuthi vele-ke umdlalo uyashiya, and-ke kuzomele athole iqembu elisha ahead of the new season. So indaba iphuma ekhishwa yiyo-ke iFar Post is that the players' representatives are in talks with Kaizer Chiefs to try and land a deal for the striker. So kuthiwa-ke namakhosi are also interested in him because they believe ukuthi-ke they are lacking i-goal poacher-ke laphayana in the striking department, and-ke kuthiwa-ke if the two parties come to a deal, so mbona-ke yena-ke uMabasa-ke sejoyina yena-ke uThabiso Munyane naye kuPaseka Mako ukuthi-ke badlale khona-ke laphayana eNaturena. So amakhosi are working with the representative yalo mdlali, and they are trying to find a common ground bakwazi-ke ukuthi-ke lo mdlali ayiboneke sekhona-ke lapha eNaturena in the upcoming season.